Dinepensahan na nga ni Atty. Fortune ang ina ni Carlos Yulo na si Mami Angelica. Ito'y matapos ngang magkaroon kamakailan lamang nitong August 7, kung di tayo nagkakamali, ng press conference ang ina ni Carlos Yulo. Nagkaroon naman ito ng iba't ibang reaksyon sa netizen. Ang ilan ay sinabi na nauna pa raw magpa-press conference itong si Mami Angelica kesa sa anak na nanalo ng gold. So iba't iba nga pong komento, may positibo, may negatibo. At bakit daw ba nagpa-press conference? Yan nga ang sinagot ni Atty. Fortune. Anatomy of a press conference. Bakit pa nagpa-press conference? Akala ko ba i-private na lang ang away? I agreed to represent Mrs. Yulo on Monday evening. As a seasoned spokesperson in several high-profile cases, I knew that there were things she posted and said in interview that should not have been said. And the public furor over her actions was tearing her family and the nations apart. It was imperative for Mrs. Yulo to correct these errors and misimpressions about her actions also in a public manner, because the public was clearly involved. It had to be in a press conference that I can control because I am beside her, to apologize for what she said, to tell her son publicly that she loves him still, and to tell the son and the public that she is happy that he won. Sorry to break some detractors' hearts, but the tears you say yesterday were real. When Mrs. Yulo finished reading her statement, the room was dead silent for a full minute. Everyone there knew that she spoke from the heart. For me, this is the path to healing the family and the nation. Not all will understand, not all will approve of my methods, but I just had to do what needed to be done at the quickest time, without fear of the consequences. A lawyer is also a peacemaker. I hope that yesterday's press conference, and I promise that it will be the last, it will heal all wounds so we can all move on. We have heroes to welcome back. Yung mga mema at sausaw na lang ang malulungkot kasi wala na silang malagay sa FB or YouTube nila. I reckon I would be doing the nation a favor with that as well. Well, walang ina na ayaw na maging maayos ang kalagayan ng kanyang anak. At sa naging pahayag ni Mrs. Yulo, ito ay masobrang sakit sa kanya dahil yon ay kanyang anak galing sa kanya. Sino ba naman ang kayang pumeki ng damdamin ng isang ina? Well, nito lamang ay nagkaroon din ng interview itong si Carlos Yulo sa pamamagitan ng 24 oras kung saan ang pinakahuling tanong ni Mel Chanco ay kung ano ba ang reaksyon nito sa naging press conference ng ina. Actually, napaka-unti lang nang naging sagot nitong si Carlos at mukhang ina-avoid nga niya ang mga tanong nito about sa kanyang family. Pero ganun pa man, sinagot niya at sinabi niyang private matter yon, kaya naman iyon ay dapat wag na pag-usapan at kailangan ngayon ay ang ipagdiwang ang pagkapanalo ng mga atletang Filipino. At yan ang ating Showbiz Now update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Now.